Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter or the next chapter in computer, that is lesson number 2, GUI operating system desktop management. Let's read the chapter first. Page number 14, lesson number 2, GUI operating system desktop management. Children, in the previous class you were introduced with Windows 7 and the various operations that you can perform on the desktop of Windows 7. You have learnt that Windows 7 is a graphical user interface operating system that has a graphical environment consisting of various buttons and icons. An operating system is an interface or link between the hardware and the user. It makes our PC alive and helps to run different applications. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer just like the principal of a school manages all the activities running in a school. In this chapter, we are going to explore more features of Windows 7. Okay, so students, in your previous class, you all might be studied about Windows 7 operating system and might be also done some operations on the desktop of Windows 7 operating system. Now, the first question arises, what is this operating system? Operating system is a link or bridge through which user communicates with hardware. Hardware means computer. Now, let's know who is user. All the person who uses computer is called user. So who uses the computer? We uses, that means we all are users. Now again, let's see the definition of operating system. Operating system is an interface or link between the hardware means computer and user means us. That means because of operating system we are able to communicate with computer and able to do different kind of work on it. As in this figure we can see that operating system helps us to manage all the thing that is going on the computer system. Operating system helps to manage all the input and the output devices and also the application that is stored in it. Let us take an example. Like we are having soul inside our body which makes us all alive and able to perform all work. Likewise, operating system is soul of computer which make it alive and workable. Operating system manage and control overall working of computer. Like a principal manage or control all the activities of school. Our next topic is features of Windows 7. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular version of Windows are Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Given below are the features of Windows 7 that have made it very popular. So before talking about Windows 7 versions, let's talk about operating system a little bit more. To work with any device like computer, laptop, phones, etc., we need operating system. But earlier we had a CLI operating system, like we can see on the image. CLI means command line interface, where to perform any task on the computer we write certain lines of code means it is a very complex operating system to work on. But later on, we get GUI operating system, which is easy and can be used by anyone. Now let's see what is GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Graphical means picture, buttons, icons, etc. That means each or everything will be pictorially visible on screen. User means us, and interface means connecting something. GUI makes uses of Windows icon, mouse, menus, and mouse pointers. The first GUI was launched in the year of 1995 and was named as Windows 95. Further, many more versions of Windows 95 or Windows operating system has launched that are as follows: Windows 95, then Windows 98, then Windows XP, Windows Me, that is Millennium, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 16, and still going on. Among all of these Windows operating system, today we are going to study about Windows 7. Let's read some more features of Windows 7. So first feature is attractive, interactive, and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes, gadget, thumbnail, previews, etc. The use of graphics make it quite interactive. It works the way we want and make new things possible. As in Windows 7, everything is present in the pictorial form, which make it much more attractive and also easy to understand by any person who has less computer knowledge. This is made possible only because it displays everything in graphics or in picture forms. Second feature is searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search any files or folders in our computer. Windows 7 provides us various search options through which we can search any file in computer. Next is flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented. Unlike the previous versions of Windows, we can pin our favorite programs on taskbar for easy access. Okay, here taskbar of Windows 7 is flexible, means we can customize it as per our need. For example, it helps to pin our favorite programs on it so that they can be quickly accessible. That means they will get open on single click. We can easily or quickly switch between the open windows, etc. This we will learn in our further class. For now, let's move on to the next feature. As all such features were not available in the previous Windows operating system. Hence, this makes this taskbar or the Windows 7 taskbar much more flexible and easy. Next is Windows support multitasking. Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letter in MS Word while enjoying listening to music using Windows Media Player. Okay, as we all know that computer is a multitasking machine. This happens because of Windows operating system. We can perform more than one task or one work at same time. For example, we can type any document on computer while listening music and can also download some files from internet at the same time. Next is jump list. This is a new feature that takes you straight to the documents or pictures, songs, or website you have recently visited. Jump list can be found on the application windows that appear on the taskbar when an application is running, or on the Start menu in the recently opened program section. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows the recently opened website. To open a jump list, right-click on program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. Okay, it is the new feature of Windows 7. Jump list is actually a list of all recent application or windows on which we worked. It will show all the recently opened window we had visited. And this also provides us facility to move directly on any visited window with just a single click. Now let's see where we will get this jump list. We get jump list at two places. First, it can be appear by right click on the opened application icon on taskbar, like we can see in this image. Next is it can be visible on the Start menu too, titled as Recently Visit. We will get this Start menu recently visited or recently opened program by clicking on any of the program that we get on the Start menu. Cascading Windows. This option is displayed when you right-click the taskbar. The Cascading Windows option arranges all the open windows from top left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers. As we all know that this operating system or the Windows operating system is a multitasking. That means we can do or we can open several windows at the same time. To display all the open windows on the screen, we can use this cascading option that we get on the taskbar menu. To do so, first we had to right click on the blank area of the taskbar. Next, as we click on the taskbar, we get a pop-up menu. Among all, we have to select the Cascade Windows option. When we select this Cascade Window option, it will display all the opened window overlap on each other, as we can see in this image, so that all the opened window title bars are visible to us. This is all for now. Next week we will continue the same chapter. Thank you.